guys, we are back with another video. I know it's been a long time since we've done another video, and we are. And this video's gonna be a Pokemon unboxing. As you can see, we have a Pokemon Sun and Moon, Pokemon Evolutions, and a Pokemon I don't even know what this one is called. So let's just get into this unboxing. So here we go. The first one, we're gonna unbox the Evolution. So we have the Evolution right here. This is how we're gonna do it. Get my binder. Sorry. The Evolution. Hopefully you can see that. I don't really care actually. Because here we have the Evolution pack. So we're gonna start and we're gonna open it. Here we go. There we are. Oh, look. Inside the plastic is a Venusaur. I'm just gonna open it right quickly right now. So, here's the special tactic. First, the code. Here's the code actually. Take a screenshot of this and scan it if you play the online game. So what you want to do is, you want to take the 1, 2, 3 back, put it in the front. Okay. So now we have a Magma. Sylvan Pikachu! Oh my gosh, guys. Wait. Oh my gosh. We have a Sylvan Pikachu. No way. He only can do 30 damage, but this is I have no clue, but Sylvan Pikachu, guys. This is really it. I know nobody who has this card. This is awesome. Now let's go back to the deck. I know, I completely changed my clothes. This is awesome. Trainer, Growlithe, Energy, Storm, Drowsy, Electabuzz, Charmeleon! Oh, guys, this is like the rare pack. Charmeleon, and then we have Stormline. That's awesome. I bet you it's basic. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. If you ever heard of the Lion Gamer, also known as FinVids for Kids, he does videos with me. So he's gonna be amazed that I have this Sylvan Pikachu. Unbelievable. Yeah. Now, let's hope to get a GX. Wow. Sylvan Pikachu. You're going in the front page of my binder. Now, guess what? GX. I only have 3 GXs if you count the GX4. So from Sylvan Pikachu, let's just open the Sun and Moon. Here we go. So let's do that. Gotta get it all. Let's see. So we have Primaria, That's how I do it. Primaria. Please don't get another Primaria. I don't want the duplicate. Sun and Moon. Okay. Let's do this. So let's take the code out. 1, 2, 3. Big Malasada. Hey guys. I got the Big Malasada. So, Big Malasada. Pokeball. Hypno. Fomantis. Okay. Awful. I'll just tell you if I get any good one. Sandygast. Tea. Alone and Diglett. Alone and Diglett. Alone and Diglett. Whoa. Look at this Sandile. We don't care about that. Big glitch in energy. This is like my lucky day. Alone and Diglett and Surfing Pikachu. You guys are awesome. I love you too. I'm gonna have a Pikachu page for all the Pikachus I have. Whoa. That's awesome. Now time for the final opening. Surfing Pikachu, Alone and Diglett, I love you guys. You help make this channel possible. Okay, here we are. It's actually got a coin as well, so I'm just gonna open it maybe off camera for it. It's probably gonna be off camera. Yeah, it's gonna be. Yeah. There we go. You think I can? Because sorry that it's off camera, but gosh, don't make me. Fine. I'm just going to my pants pouch. Let's get a pen. Not working. I'm sorry guys that this is taking long. Can't quite seem to open this. There we go. I'm gonna open this on camera actually. Here we are. Here's the opening. It's being opened. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Here we are. The code. Gotta get the code. Here. Code. And there's a Pokemon card out here. Toji the mail. He's pretty cool. And guess what comes? The one and only. Oh shoot. What's a shop? Pikachu. I have another coin. Yes. Pikachu. Okay. Fourth one, Sun and Moon. Lion. Let's open this. Yeah, I'll be ending it quickly, guys. I'm sorry if this is long. Ah! I don't think we can do the trick on this pack. It spilled everywhere. I'll be back in a minute, guys. Sorry. Okay, that was weird. Let's go. Hello. Steamy Bearware. Fairy Energy Code. Whatever that is. Snubble. Machetta. Cutie Fly. Drowsy. Polyball. And Violet. Nothing important. To the other sun and moon. Right here. Sorry. I'll get those. Come on. Quickly. I don't want to let my subscribers take too long. I get annoyed with how long it takes me. Sorry. Oh, wow. Duplicate. Toadie Jamero. Stuffle. We have Stuffle, Marine. Geopidal. Bone Street. X-Fish. Oh my gosh! No way. GX. No way, guys. I just got a Lurantis GX. A GX. Whoa. Watch this. Whoa, guys. A GX. No way. Code, if you want it, there you go. You can get it. Energy, blah, blah. Nothing. One last pack. Give me another GX on the moon. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm sorry if this is long. Comment down below if you stayed through the whole video. Oh wait, we didn't do an awesome trick. Give the code away. 1, 2, 3. So let's see how it goes. Just a normal handle. Crushing hammer. What the heck this is? An Alone and Diglett. Geopidal. Alone and Meowth. Guys, Alone and Meowth. Growlithe. Rock, what the heck? Metapod. Toucan. Dark Energy. Guys, that'll wrap it up for this video. But leave in the comments below if you have a GX, if you don't, and if you play the Pokemon online game. This is the Aftermath, and bye!